Hello guys, how you doing today? Hope you're having an awesome day. I really want to appreciate you so much for always coming to watch my videos, and I want to thank you for always taking your time to watch the videos. I really appreciate you. I love you. Thank you so much, and I want to welcome you again to HairArtistry Styles, your go-to channel for the latest braids hairstyle, their benefits and expert tips to keep your braids looking flawless and stylish. Whether you're looking to elevate your style with trending new braids or want to explore the endless possibilities of protective styles, our channel has you covered. Join us on this journey of creativity and self-expression and fall in love with the art of braiding all over again. In today's video, I will be talking about the best of versatile bun braids hairstyle for every occasion in 2024. As we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you're new here, I want to say please also like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. In 2024, bun braids are one of the most versatile and fashionable hairstyles for women. These styles blend the elegance of buns with the creativity of braids, making them suitable for various occasions from formal events to casual outings. So some of the top bun braid styles include the classic high bun, which is polished and sophisticated, and the low braided bun, offering a more understated and elegant look. For a fun and youthful appearance, double bun braids or space buns have become a trending choice, perfect for casual events. Braided buns with cornrows add boldness and texture, making them ideal for humans who want to make a statement, while the messy braided bun creates a relaxed, boho-inspired vibes. Other popular options include the braided top knot, a sleek and modern style, and the braided bun with fox locks, which combines the look of locks with the flexibility of bun or braids. For special occasions, the side braided bun is a soft, feminine style that adds a touch of romance and elegance. Overall, bun braids in 2024 are not only stylish but also practical, offering a wide range of options for women looking for a beautiful and low maintenance hairstyle. The versatile looks can be customized with accessories and creative touches, making them perfect for any occasion. Finally, I'd love you to take your time to watch the video and embrace the amazing styles of bun braids you like. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.